Hello everyone and welcome to Grizzly Supplies. This is Grizzly's Forge and today we're going to be taking this and turning it into a wicked little fire poker. Let's go! So what we're going to do first is we're going to try and get this and figure out what we want. So we want a pointy end, and then we want to taper this end out and have a twist like this, and then we want a twist in here. There we go. Putting a work in the top, and now what we want to do is put our twist in right about where we're going to hold it, which is going to be here. So if we just mark that out. What we're going to do first is we're going to come in, score this all the way around there and there with our grinder. What we're going to do now to make it more fancy is we're going to score lines all the way down the middle on all four sides. One last step we've got to get the real nice detail in is we're going to come in here and we're going to make some cuts there. flip it over, turn it round. We want to be going on the opposite one, which is that one, which is that. So all is about to come clear. We're going to heat this, and we're going to clamp this, and then we're going to twist it. Let's go. Is forge down the opposite corners. Last step we've got to do is just give it a final brush, and shine on it. And then a coating of beeswax. Stop it rusting, make it look good.